Symbols of my country. Let's take a look at the top. Look at all the different flags. Some of those we've seen before. Circle the flag for our country. Now look at these flags. Which one's for our country? Hopefully you said this one. Okay, this is the flag for our country. Okay. Our country is the United States of America. Our red, white, and blue flag is a symbol of our country. A symbol is something that stands for something else. Our country has many symbols. So here we see Uncle Sam is a symbol of our country. So you might have seen maybe cartoon pictures of an older gentleman with a white beard. He has the big top hat, right? The red, white, and blue pants, and the red outfit. He's a symbol of our country. We call him Uncle Sam. He's not a real person, okay, but he's a symbol for the United States. Okay, so a symbol is something that stands for something else. The American flag is a symbol of our country. Red, white, and blue are the best flag colors. So our American flag is red, white, and blue. Right? Red, white, and blue. And those are the colors, they are symbols for our country. American symbols. The Statue of Liberty stands for hope and freedom. There's a picture of the Statue of Liberty. Okay. So she's a symbol of our country, and she stands for hope and freedom. The Liberty Bell also stands for freedom. The White House stands for the government of our country. It is where the president lives. The bald eagle is a living symbol of our country. It stands for strength and freedom. By living, it means it's something that is alive. So the bald eagle is an animal that's alive. We have a lot of bald eagles in our area, and it's a symbol of our country, and it stands for strength and freedom. All right, so it says the Liberty Bell and bald eagle are both symbols of, so let's go back. We have Liberty Bell stands for freedom. Let's see, does the bald eagle stand for freedom? The bald eagle is a living symbol of our country. It stands for strength and freedom. So the bald eagle and the Liberty Bell both stand for freedom. So remember, symbols is something that stands for something else. So the bald eagle stands for strength and freedom. The Statue of Liberty stands for hope and freedom. Songs and the Pledge of Allegiance. We sing songs to show we care about our country. The Star-Spangled Banner and My Country 'Tis of Thee are both songs about our country. We also sing America. We face the flag to say the Pledge of Allegiance. This shows we care about our country too. Okay, so here's the kids. They're saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, so we have songs that also are symbols for our country, and we have things that we do, like the pledge that we say, like the Pledge of Allegiance, that stands for our country. United States papers. The Declaration of Independence is an important paper. Leaders who lived long ago wrote this paper. It helped make our country free. When our country was new, leaders made a plan for making laws. This plan is the Constitution. The Constitution lists rights and freedoms of people in our country. So we also have important papers. So here's our Declaration of Independence, okay? And that stands for freedom, okay? So symbols, boys and girls, they stand for something else, and they also, a lot of times, represents something. And what we looked at today were symbols that represented our country, the United States. Okay? So when people from other countries see things such as this flag, they know it belongs to the United States. They recognize that as a United States symbol. Just like if you were to see somebody walking down the street wearing a blue shirt that has red on it and red, white, and blue pants, you would look at them and say, "Oh, they're wearing American colors." You recognize that is an American thing, American colors. Other symbols that we have, the Statue of Liberty is actually a place that's nearby that you can go visit. It's right in between New Jersey and New York. So it's very close. You can go see the Statue of Liberty. Okay, and when people from other countries come to visit America, that's a place that a lot of them like to go and visit because it's a symbol of our country. So these are all different symbols. So remember, a symbol stands for something else. And our country has many symbols.